Did you know the Artspira app offers some great pre-made design templates you can use to make a special project in a pinch? It's easy to find and use these templates from the home screen of your app. Under the Explore category, select Design Templates. You can browse the different categories at the top and select a design you'd like to use. You'll see some detailed information about the file. Now select Create. You can use your finger or a stylus. I like to use a stylus. Select an element of the design template you'd like to edit. The blue box around the element signals that it is selected and you are currently editing it. Once you select an element, a toolbar appears at the bottom of the screen, giving you some editing options and information. If you make a mistake, you can delete the selected element with the trash key, get size information about the element with the information key, or edit the element with the change key. In the Change menu, you can scroll through a host of design categories that hold a variety of embroidery designs. You can also use the Filter tool to find exactly what you may be looking for. Press the Filtered key. It's the circle with 3 lines in it. Once selected, a filter menu pops up. Here you can filter by embroidery frame size or number of colors in a design. You can even use the search bar and keywords to narrow it down further. When you have all the settings you'd like to apply selected, press the Apply key, and the app will populate any design that fits your search. Select a design, and it will be swapped out with the one that was originally in the template. To edit text, simply select the text element in your template and press the Change key. A Font tab, Color tab, and Keyboard are now available for you to use. Select a new font and thread color if you'd like. And then press the keyboard key to change the text. When you're finished, press Go and the changes will be applied to your template. Now you have a quick custom embroidery for your next project.